Hi, I'm Paul Saccone with Adobe here at NAB 2023 in our brand new Adobe booth. Very excited to talk about this year's new announcements. First is text-based editing in Premiere Pro. We've introduced an entirely new way to edit that makes creating a rough cut as simple as copying and pasting text. Footage is automatically transcribed as it comes into Premiere Pro. You look at the text window, you copy and paste the text in the order you want it, and it appears on your timeline. It's really amazing. But beyond that, with Premiere Pro, we've really worked hard to improve performance, quality, stability, reliability in Premiere Pro. And we've re-engaged with the community to really deliver the kinds of features and tools and workflow improvements that pros have been asking for. And our new booth here at NAB is actually a testament to that. We've designed a new booth that is really about bringing people together in a community setting. So we're really excited to see all of the people here in the booth celebrating with us this year. For After Effects, speaking of celebrations, After Effects is celebrating 30 years of being probably the world's most popular motion design application. We've got some great new features in After Effects as well. So I only have time to talk about one new feature in After Effects, and that is the new Properties panel. The Properties panel is designed to help motion designers work more quickly and for new users to get up and running more quickly as well, because instead of going through a timeline and looking for things that you want to change, you now just click an object on the screen and its parameters appear in the Properties panel, so you can very quickly adjust them. With respect to Frame.io this year, it's a huge year for Frame.io in the Adobe booth. We are expanding Frame.io from video only to support still image workflows and PDF document workflows. So that's good. There's some great new tools and workflows in Frame.io for that. We've got camera to cloud support with Fuji still cameras, and we've also got camera to cloud support for Capture One tethered cameras. So if you're in a marketing agency or a design firm and you're working with still images, you can now use those great review and approval tools that video people love in Frame.io as well. So that's what we've got at NAB 2023. It's a great show. I'm happy to be here and hope you all read up on all the exciting news.